Today I have a Lenovo laptop, and this Lenovo laptop problem is and keyboard is not working and some of key are not working here, and today I will change this very simple and easy way. You can change also, this is yourself. Okay, let's start. And I already opened the button cover, and you can see here laptop is open. First of all, I need to open the laptop battery because of this is the very important things. This one is the speaker connection. The display connection. And you can see that, and this keyboard changed before, and maybe I am the second time it's changing. Okay, and this on our new keyboard. Set up it. This is it. For attaching the keyboard, I will use sand and Fevicol super glue. Okay. Okay, maximum report I have done, and maybe it will be work very smoothly. And I did one mistake, and before I set up the battery I installed the hard disk, and after that I opened the hard disk and I set up this battery perfectly. Okay, now I'm doing this. Our laptop setting is complete. Let's check it. the keyboard is working or not. Open the laptop, press the power button, power is turning on, display has come. Yes, our keyboard is working, and I don't know what is the password of this user, and I don't want to enter this here, but all key are working fine. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.